there are between 27 and 33,000 churches in the nation of Canada, and within 10 years, 1/3 of those will close their doors. So if that's the bad news, what's the good news? Well, here's the good news. The good news is that God simply wants us as the church to be the church. That's the church revolution. That's the good news. God's call on all of us to be the church. Just model the message. Allow our actions to be an accurate reflection of the truth of the gospel, that all of us have been saved by God's grace. And out of gratitude, we reach out to those who are experiencing difficulties of many kinds in the name and in the love of Jesus.